Tired of being the default Toastmaster in Basecamp and ready to share the spotlight? Let's dive straight into changing the designated Toastmaster within your Basecamp project, ensuring a smooth rotation of responsibilities. First, navigate to the Toastmasters project in Basecamp and click on the Team tab located, typically, on the left-hand side of your screen. This will display a list of all members currently part of this project. Identify the person who is currently assigned as the Toastmaster. Next to the current Toastmaster's name, you should see a settings icon, often represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on this icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the option that says Remove as Postmaster or something similar, effectively unassigning the role. Now, locate the name of the team member who you want to designate as the new Toastmaster. Just like before, click on the settings icon or the 3 vertical dots next to their name. From the drop-down menu that appears this time, select the option Make Toastmaster or similar. This assigns them the responsibility. And there you have it. The new Toastmaster is now designated within Basecamp, fostering a more inclusive and engaging experience for everyone. Repeat these steps to rotate leadership.